I think it's not only the goddess of Lakshmi who has graced us with support, but I want to refer to all the families behind the people that I see over here, whose support over the years, and we celebrate 25 years of their support, the families who are behind us. And I'd like to acknowledge and request you to convey our deep appreciation of the support that our families have given us over the years in our achievements. We have grown richer in material wealth. Again, over the last 25 years, the organization, each one of us individually and collectively, we have grown stronger and richer. I just want to refer to one aspect of this, which is our material progress. And material progress has many, many dimensions. First of all, over 25 years, I think we have grown to be a family of 7,500 people. I don't know how many of you know this figure, but it's a matter of deep pride to every one of us individually here that we are now a collective of 7,500 people. And it is a matter of time before we look at figures like 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, and so on. So I think it's a matter of deep pride to every one of us that in material progress we have grown to be such a large collective family. Not just a family of professionals working together, but I again refer to the families that are behind us and who support us in our endeavors. So we have grown tremendously. We have also grown in terms of the services that we provide, and I want to take this opportunity to say that this is also material progress, saying we have deepened our service offerings. I want to refer to some professional ways in which we have grown. I think some significant ones that come to mind is generation technical services that we've now in the last 1 year gone into, for example, power plant design. We are on the verge of entering periodic maintenance and feedback freezer. It's a very major achievement. In FEDCO, in the last 1 year, very, very quietly we have done 10-15 crores worth of EPC work. Right? We are already in energy distribution, but we've gone into EPC. In Dubai Consultants, thanks to Pravesh's efforts, thanks to Varun Minocha's efforts, we've gone into building information modeling. In power plant operational maintenance, we've gone into niche areas and we are looking at saying how can we bring in fuel efficiency, for example. We've gone into transactions. I don't know the appellations here, but it's a matter of pride saying the last 1 year we have gained significantly on the transactions. In Africa, we've broken new boundaries in, for example, in transmission, value-added consulting, value-added implementation in distribution. So to cut a long story short, we have grown materially, we have progressed in very many ways in terms of creeping adjacencies in professional services. What does this mean? It means that our proposition of saying integrated services and the value that we provide to clients, I think over 25 years, we have strengthened our value proposition. One other aspect of this progress that I would like to refer to is saying, we started service in one country, which was India. Right? Today, again, it's a matter of perhaps information to all of us assembled over here, and a matter of great pride that we are at least in 25 countries in 4 regions around the world. We started with India, spread our wings in the Indian subcontinent. Right? Today we have a company that operates in Nepal as a hydro center of excellence for hydro engineering. We've done work in Sri Lanka. We do yeoman work in Bangladesh and are looking to grow our franchise in Bangladesh. Myanmar is also beckoning. From the Indian subcontinent, we have branched off into Southeast Asia, where with our office in Indonesia, the entity that we've opened. Right? We are looking to say in Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand, etc., Philippines, Australia, New Zealand, what all can we spread our wings to in Southeast Asia. Middle East, we now have an office in Dubai, and from that we are serving Abu Dhabi, Qatar, Muscat, Oman, and so on and so forth. So Middle East is a growing imprint. But what has been, I think, one of the darker secrets in the dark continent of Africa, right, where I think no less than about 15-20 countries, I think our footprint in Africa is very, very strongly growing. Energy, transportation, water, RSID, all making a presence, and I think it's a matter of time before our share of the international share in our turnover grows from 20 up to 40%. So today it is 20% of our turnover comes from international operations. In about 4 to 5 years, we expect that share to go up to 40%. So from an Indian company, I think I'm proud to say, thanks to all our collective efforts, we are slowly transforming into an Indian multinational. Over and above all of this, right, it's a very youthful profile that I see over here. And I think thanks to the young profile that we have, we are becoming technologically savvy. We are becoming very, very agile. Feedback Visa, for example, has done some fantastic work in the apps and the technology that they have introduced. Fedco has done some excellent work. EPMC in our energy distribution on project management. I think we are technologically, I dare say, we are at the cutting edge. Smart metering in Odisha, I mean, a lot of work, a lot of talk has happened about smart metering in the country. But in the last 5 years, I think we are at the cutting edge of smart metering in energy distribution. So, thanks to the youthful profile that I see around me, as a company, we are technologically agile. We are indeed at the cutting edge. Something else which is also, to my mind, a dimension of progress in terms of corporate governance, our standards of ethics, our code of conduct. I think again over the last 5 years, I can see significant traction, significant value to our brand, our reputation, and very importantly to the values that we hold dear. I think we have really, really progressed. And it's very material progress in many senses of the word. And the last dimension that I'd like to single out in terms of material progress is saying we have become more caring of the communities around us. Many of us have been witness to the service that Feedback Foundation and many of us have done in the neighboring village of Bone. And I'm really, really proud that amidst all our professional achievements, we have one more very significant material progress, which is really saying we've become more caring of our communities. So from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to thank all of you and the families behind you for the material progress that we have made. Having said all of this, I'd like to also pause to say that life is not wholesome, it is not whole, if material is not accompanied with the spiritual. Right? So I'd like to take this occasion, as is my wont over every Diwali, to talk to you and to give you a message which is a message of the spirit. It is my want to talk in Sanskrit from my favorite scripture, which is the Bhagavad Gita. But this time around, I'm going to make a departure. I'm going to quote Swami Tulsidas. It is appropriate to quote from the Ramayana. I'm going to quote from Tulsidas. It is a somewhat known passage called Vibhishan Gita. So it is from my favorite Gita, but it's called Vibhishan Gita. And you will bear with me if my accents don't translate well into Hindi, but I hope to do some justice to the content of Vibhishan Gita. I'd like you to conjure up an image of Lord Rama without any weaponry, indeed without any chappals and shoes, standing before the Maharathi, which is Ravan, in his rath. And there is Vibhishan before him. And this is Goswami Tulsidas in his sweet words. He says, Ravanu Rathi Virat Raghubira. Ravanu Rathi Virat Raghubira. Dekhi Vibhishan Bhayahu Adhira. तो विभीषण जी अधीर होते हैं कि रावण जो है वो रथ पे सवार और आप रघुवीर बिना रथ के आप उनके सामने खड़े हुए हैं. अधिक प्रीति मन भा संदेहा, अधिक प्रीति मन भा संदेहा, बंदी चरण कह सहित स्नेहा. तो बड़े स्नेह के साथ विभीषण जी जो है वो राम जी को कह रहे हैं, नाथ न रथ नहीं तन पद थाना, नाथ न रथ नहीं तन पद थाना, कहे विधि जीतब वीर बलवाना. आप रावण जैसे वीर बलवान को कैसे जीतेंगे? कहे विधि जीतब वीर बलवाना. सुनह सका कै कृपा निधाना, सुनह सका कै कृपा निधाना, जय जय होए सो स्यंधन आना. वो रथ जिससे ये संसार जीता जाता है वो स्यंधन कुछ और ही है और उसका विवरण करेंगे. जय जय होए सो स्यंधन आना, सौरज धीरज तेहि रथ चाका. उस रथ के चक्के क्या हैं? शौर्य और धैर्य. सौरज धीरज तेहि रथ चाका, सत्यशील दृढ़ ध्वजा पताका। उसका ध्वजा पताका क्या है? सत्यशील दृढ़ ध्वजा पताका। बल विवेक दम परहित घोड़े, बल विवेक दम परहित घोड़े, क्षमा कृपा समता रज जोड़े। उसके रस्सी क्या है? क्षमा कृपा समता रज जोड़े। ईस भजन सारथी सुजाना। रथ का सारथी कौन है? ईस भजन सारथी सुजाना। विरति चर्म संतोष कृपाना, संतोष कृपाना, विरति चर्म संतोष कृपाना। दान परसु बुद्धि शक्ति प्रचंडा। व्हाट इज द मिसाइल? बुद्धि शक्ति प्रचंडा। दान परसु बुद्धि शक्ति प्रचंडा। बर विज्ञान कठिन को दंडा। व्हाट इज दी बो? व्हाट इज द कठिन को दंडा? बर विज्ञान आत्मज्ञान, बर विज्ञान कठिन को दंडा। अमल अचल मन त्रोण समाना, अमल अचल मन त्रोण समाना। संयम नियम श्री मुख नाना। व्हाट आर द एरोज? संयम नियम श्री मुख नाना। कवच अवेद विप्र गुरु पूजा। आज के माहौल में ये मच मोर इंपॉर्टेंट। कवच अवेद विप्र गुरु पूजा। एहि संग विजय उपाय न दूजा, एहि संग विजय उपाय न दूजा। सखा धर्म में असरथ जाके। दिस इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट। सखा धर्म में असरथ जाके, जीतन कहन कतहुरि कुताके, जीतन कहन कतहुरि कुताके। महा अजय संसार रिपु जीत सके सो वीर, जाके असरथ होए दृढ़ सुनहु सखा मति धीर। तो ऐसा रथ हो, ये उनकी मजदीर है। सुनो सखा, जाके असरथ होए दृढ़ सुनो सखा मति धीर। सुनि प्रभु वचन विभीषण हर्षि गए पद पंकज। एहि मिस मोहि उपदेश हो राम कृपा सुपुंज। So to the bottom of my heart, my wish is that this राम सुख की जो पूंजी है वो हम बांटे बटोरते रहें, and hopefully the years ahead will see material progress and spiritual progress. So on this occasion of Deepavali, a very, very happy Deepavali to the entire family that's assembled here, and equally happy Diwali to the families behind us who are supporting us. Happy Deepavali.